Welcome back to Autoscope, Kenworth Motorhome, 2026. External, impressive presence and performance. The appearance combines contemporary, aerodynamic elements with Kenworth's aggressive truck style. A premium, strong sensation is produced by distinctive elements such as a massive chrome grille, futuristic LED lights, and a streamlined body. For long-distance driving and rough terrain, the heavy-duty truck chassis offers outstanding durability and safety. In addition to a rooftop solar panel system for off-grid power, many units have extendable slide-outs for extra living space while parked. Interior, this space frequently has high ceilings and soft, cozy chairs. High-end furniture, granite floors, and LED lighting that can be adjusted are all features of the contemporary interior design. Large-screen TVs and surround sound systems are also included as standard entertainment features. The kitchen in the camper is on par with one in a luxury residence. It has a dishwasher, a full-size refrigerator, an oven, an induction cooktop, and granite or marble counters. This space is made to enable you to prepare delectable meals from any location. The king-size bed in the master bedroom is usually very comfy. Panoramic vistas are often available through large windows. A personal entertainment system, extra storage, and a walk-in closet are all included in this space. Strong diesel engine, a strong turbodiesel engine, which typically generates 700 to 900 horsepower, is the basic option. Even when hauling large loads, its engine makes sure the car can easily cruise on roads and challenging terrain. Hybrid option, a diesel-electric hybrid engine is available for some models, without compromising performance. This option offers increased fuel efficiency and a reduced carbon footprint. Driver aid systems to guarantee optimal road safety. This motorhome is outfitted with the newest driver aid technology, including as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. Advanced technology, smart home elements are included into this car.